Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tzatziki at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 large English cucumber, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. These core components are key to achieving that authentic, creamy, and refreshing flavor profile that everyone loves. Make sure your ingredients are fresh for the best results. Next, we prepare the cucumber, a critical step for perfect tzatziki. Grate 1 large cucumber, then place it in a clean kitchen towel or several layers of paper towels. Squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This process is vital because it prevents your tzatziki from becoming watery, ensuring a wonderfully thick and creamy texture. Don't skip this. It makes all the difference. Now, let's bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium bowl, combine your 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt with a thoroughly drained grated cucumber. Add 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh dill. Stir in 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, mixing well. Your homemade tzatziki is almost ready. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the ingredients to meld together, deepening the flavors and enhancing the overall taste. Serve your refreshing tzatziki as a dip with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or alongside grilled meats. Enjoy this delicious, versatile condiment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.